It's time. Look at this. The Monsters Hair Salon full set. Oh, this is so exciting. I want that one. I want that one. And that one. They're all cute though. I have the serve. Which one should I open first? I always like to go to the middle. The middle. This is it. This is it. Wig Labubu #1. So they say that this diva, the pink one that you can smell, apparently she has a smell. I don't smell anything in this one, so I don't think it's Pink Diva. I'm hoping for the Bob, Pink Diva, Gemini Bestie, and I mean, I'm cool with any of them, really. I'm really excited. Look at the bag. The bag's new too. It has the drawstrings, but you can also rip the top. Let's just appreciate the bag. That is so cool. And now you rip them, I think. Ooh. Let's see. I feel the hair. It's the Gemini Bestie one. Aw, look at the little hairnet. Let's free my mind. Art pop. Aw. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Look at the hair. First one open. Coastal vibes. Which one should I choose next? I'm really curious to see if I can smell the pink one. No. Hold up. I smelled a little something. Let's see. Look at her. Wow. Yeah. She has like a faint smell. Like it smells like a jasmine smell. Let's take off her hairnet. Because she's as free as her hair. Oh, wow. Wow, babe, look. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Diva. Wow. Oh my gosh. She is stunning. She's beautiful. She's everything. She is the moment. I mean, come on now. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love her. She's so pretty. Look at her nose. It's a little heart. Oh wow. You're stunning. Oh my gosh. So you have the beautiful card, but then also you have the instructions on how to care for the hair. Look at that. I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, oh, the little rain jacket, look.
No.
Oh,
That's adorable.
Aw, okay. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about this one, but this is so cute with the little rain jacket. It says Labubu. This one is After Rain. Very Label sister coded. I love the little, the blue eyes and then like the aqua nose and the tooth. So cute. I love these colors. Halfway there. Which one should I pick? I think the middle again. So we still have Warm Oat, the Bob Diva, and in blue, this one here too. But I could get the secret. if it is the secret, this is the one I want the most. Please, if it's a secret, do not replace her. Let me see the card. These bags are so cool. Like, I love this. Let's see who it is. Aww. Look at this one. This is Blue Prelude. She's very, like a 50s vibe. Cute. She got a little blonde bob. She definitely wants to talk to the manager. But we stand her. Oh, she's cute. The eyes are so pretty. Oh, these eyes have little butterflies in them. Little butterflies in the eyes. I love these ones are very detailed. I love the details on these Labubus. Like, 10 out of 10. Okay, we're down to 2. I think this one we should open next. So the only ones we have left are Drew Barrymore from Scream, or the Silver Diva, or the Secret. We'll see. Ooh, it's Drew Barrymore.
Oh my god.
This is literally Drew Barrymore from Scream. I'm dead. I love this one. Warm oat, so cute. Definitely bringing like a fall vibe. Alex got the comparison, like literally. They have one on 800 numbers for that. See ya. I love it. We only got one more. I'm sad. All right, the last one. Of course, it's the one I want the most, or it's gonna be the secret. Please, please, I need this one. Born Rebel, born this way, Rebel, I need you. Manifest, born Rebel. All right, here we go. I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, this is the one I wanted the most. Born Rebel. Oh wow, she's got like, they freaking like bound her up in plastic.
Oh my god.
The poor thing needs to breathe. We need to save you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for you. Born Rebel. Let me get this plastic off. We'll just very gently. Oh. Look at the bob. Oh my gosh.
Aww.
I love her. Got the bob. How, like, ironic. This is the one I wanted the most, and save the best for last. The best for last. Literally, this icon, this legend, this diva. Oh, she is stunning. She is everything. She is the moment. I mean, come on now. Ugh. Wow. Oh, I'm so glad. Oh, I'm so happy. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Well, look at them. Oh, they're so cute.